Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Have you ever heard of American pickers picking the back roads of America? Have you ever heard of Matt? What the hell? Matt from Part-Time Pickers on YouTube. Have you ever heard of Lonnie from Garage Flip Garage from whatever? Have you ever heard of the Cincinnati Picker? Have you ever heard of the Commonwealth Picker? Have you ever heard of my boy from Kentucky, the Tesla Picker? He picking for a Tesla, y'all. I call him TP. That's his nickname, TP. But anyway, y'all, after y'all hear all them picking people, I just want y'all to know that we pick in the hood too. Yeah. Hey, I want to go over what I sold. I think I sold like 16 things. You know, but we're finna go over it right now. I don't have the items with me, but I got a list of them. Okay, the first thing I sold, you know, y'all know I sell a whole lot of, hold on a minute. I sell a whole lot of video games. And I sell about one a week or whatever, you know. I mean, about two or three. No, I sell about 2 or 3 a day. I'm sorry, one a week. I sell the hell out of video games. But anyway, the first thing on the board is a book. I sold a book. It's called Dune. I got the whole set. I paid $1.50 for it at this one thrift store. I don't like paying $1.50 for books though. I paid $1.50 for it. It sold for $12.40 plus shipping, which is gonna be medium mail, probably about $3 or something. Anyway, I'll put it on the screen. I sold a PS3 Harry Potter game. It was used. I sold it for $12.50 plus $2 shipping. Y'all know how I like to put $2 shipping on stuff. At least they can pay for something. You all put free shipping on everything. I put $1, $2. At least they helping out a little bit. You know what I mean? So that's what I do. So you're gonna hear a whole lot of $2 shipping on there. I sold this outdoor. It's like a little refill that you fill up a little canister when you in the forest, I guess, keep insects from biting you. I don't know what it is, but if you all look at the video when I went to Walmart that one time, that's where I got it from. I got it for $1. Okay, that was I got 2 more. I bought about 50 of them, but I got 2 more. They sold for $8.30 plus $2 shipping on top, like Lonnie said, on top. Then I sold the Nike Ultra Flips that I showed y'all the other day on the video. I sold those. Remember I told you I was gonna put them on there for $32. They sold for $32 plus I think I put $8 shipping because they shoes. It was over a pound. Let's see. I sold a vintage Rawlings 1970s John Newcomb. I don't know who no John Newcomb is, but John Newcomb tiebreaker tennis racket. It's a tiebreaker. Woo, you could break them ties with that tennis racket, I guess. I don't know. Anyway, that racket sold for $27.30. I always pay $2 or $3 for my tennis rackets. Always. I don't never pay more. Sometimes, since the coronavirus, though, they've been hiking the prices up on stuff. Like, I did pay $5 for a tennis racket the other day, but I put it on eBay for $70. Okay. I sold another video game, which is a PS3. It's called Alpha Protocol. I sold it for $19.50 plus $2 shipping. Yeah, $2 shipping. Y'all gonna keep hearing that. The next thing I sold a Delavan pump repair kit. I was at a farm store. Sometimes I go to farm stores and look for deals, but I usually go there when I'm on my looking for stuff for my handyman business. So I just go through there anyway. You know, but I looked through this little clearance. They had a little clearance rack in there. They never have a clearance rack. So I was going through it, and I found these little pump kit that you can fix. I guess it's a pump in a farm or something. I don't know. And it was $8. So I said, let me look this up. So I looked it up. They were selling for $120, whatever, on eBay. So I put mine on there for $100. Y'all know how I do it. I put on it for $100. Somebody bought it. So it sold for $100 plus $5.45 shipping. Y'all know how I do it. Woo, I undercut everybody. I don't care. I pay $8 for it. I don't care. I'll take 90. Don't make no difference. The next game, I got another video game. It's a PS2 Ratchet and Clank. They paid $12.40 for it plus $2 shipping. I sold a penguin marine land filter for aquarium tank, fish tank. I paid $2 for that. It's got six filters in there. I paid $2 for it, and it sold for $16.50 plus $5.75 shipping. And I had these. I just sold a sewing pattern. I had these sewing patterns for like probably a year now, and I never put them on eBay. But with doing the virus, I was putting stuff I had, laying around on eBay, and I put these on there. It's called Butterick Sewing Pattern. It's a pattern of a dress. And it's sale number for $5.90. But I don't care. It was sitting around. I'm trying to get rid of it. Excuse me. What the hell? But anyway, I'm trying to get rid of some of this stuff so it won't be laying around. It sold for $5.90. I got $2 shipping for that. Okay, I sold Access HD TV converter box, brand new in the box. When I first got it, it said $3 on the box. I didn't believe it was brand new, so I opened it up, in the store. You know how we do it. Opened up in the store and looked at it, and it was brand spanking new. So I got $24.60 for that, and shipping was free on that. Because I think I paid $2 for it. I don't know why I put free shipping. I need that $2 so they can help me out. I sold a Genie. I was at this sale, and they had like 5 Genie garage door openers. I guess they're for industrial places. They real big garage door openers. This is my last. No, I got one more left. I just sold this garage door opener after I got it for damn near free. I think I got that whole box. It had other stuff in it too for $5. I just sold this one for $35.50 plus free shipping. I don't know why I put free shipping on there, y'all. I don't know. But anyway, it'll be on the screen. I just sold 4 of them already. I got 2 more, I think. The 14th thing, I sold some Callaway golf shoes. I buy golf shoes too, a whole lot. And some, most of the time I buy my shoes from Goodwill, and the Goodwill women's shoes are $4.50. So I sold those for $12 and $7 shipping and handling for that. I think I got 2 more items left. The 15th item, I sold those men. I think I made a video with these men soccer shoes I had. They was white with a green stripe. But anyway, I think I made a video with those on there. I put those on there for $35. $35, and I got my $35 for them. It's $7. What the hell? Anyway, it was $7 shipping and handling for that. And the last one, I sold another PS2 game, Midway Arcade 2, $16.60 plus $2 shipping. Yeah, it was used. I ain't selling no new games this time. Hold on, I think one game was new. I think that at least one of those games was new. But most of the time, you guys know, I sell about 2, 3 to 4 games a day, and my games don't look like they moving. I don't understand. I've been getting rid of games left and right, and it still look like I didn't even sell any. But maybe you guys can help me. I don't know. You know what I'm saying? I don't have no idea. But hold on a minute. They called me. Hold on. Hey, that was a grand total today. That was a grand total of $398.50 plus $52.20 shipping and handling. Came out to $447.70. Yeah, I wish I could make that every day, but anyway, that's for one day. I usually don't sell that much. Usually be about $200. But I'm satisfied. What the hell is money I didn't have? You know what I'm saying? So Everybody need to be satisfied with what they got. You know what I'm saying? That's money we didn't have, and all we doing, we want to make some money, but we having fun doing this, ain't we? You know what I'm saying? But anyway, you know, hey y'all, yeah. Okay, y'all, I'm back. Sorry about that. Hey, you know, like I said, I sold 16 things, and just gonna go over with y'all what I sold. I'm gonna put the pictures on the screen, but I ain't forget this week to show y'all one of my favorite items. I had 2 of these. I sold one, and I'm still pissed off that I sold it. But I bought the other one with me. And you old school guys that know what this stuff is. I had this stuff for about, gotta be 15 years or more. But anyway, this is a Pokemon game. Handheld game, brand new. Let me see what year this is in. This was 1997 when they came out with these. 1997. I had 2 of them. I sold one. That was a long time ago when I sold it, and I'm still kind of pissed off. But anyway, $140 on eBay right now. That's how much this costs. $140. But I'm not selling it. So you guys can't convince me to sell it. I'm not selling it. That's another one of my gems. I gotta keep it. I gotta keep it. I'm never selling it. And I'm never gonna use it. So, but anyway, I just wanted to show y'all another one of the items that I got that I'm keeping. So you all can complain about it, say sell it, whatever. I'm not doing it. Anyway, y'all. Whoa. Sorry, I don't want to mess the package up. You know what I'm saying? The package got to be pristine. Anyway, I just want to tell y'all that y'all be safe out there. You know, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you don't like it, I don't care. Thumbs down, whatever. But subscribe, y'all. Subscribe and subscribe. Give me a like. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get my viewership up. You know, I've been doing this for almost a year now. I think I've been doing it for 9-10 months. You know, I need some more viewers. But give me up front, y'all. I'm trying to do something for me. But anyway, I've been trying to get in touch with my boy TP, but he ain't called me back yet. But anyway, y'all take it easy and stay safe out there. Put on your mask. I don't care what nobody tell you. Put on your damn mask. You know what I'm saying? And take care of yourself. And I just want y'all to know that we picking in the hood too. Yeah. Peace.